Escape to a better place in the North Georgia mountains. Here, it's always the weekend. Shown by appointment only. 37,000 square feet mixed-use commercial building, suitable for warehouse, storage, manufacturing, retail or restaurant. 6,500 square feet. Retail space, rented Tenant Hardware Store, 6,000 square feet retail space, fireworks store, business and inventory available separately. New HVAC system, new updated fire sprinkler system, new roof, all on major highway, minutes from historic downtown Copperhill, Tennessee and McCaysville, GA, and only 20 minutes to downtown Blue Ridge, Georgia, with ample shopping and dining. 2 additional rented homes on property, one aprox. 1,000